Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix 0xc1900102 error in Windows. Let's fix it guys. Fix one, you just need to free up disk space. To do this, go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Select the C drive and check mark all the boxes and select OK and select delete files option. And now you can retry the update and check if the problem solved or not. If not, fix two, you just need to disconnect external devices, close all the applications, unplug all the external devices except your keyboard, mouse and monitor. Restart your computer to ensure no residual connections remain, and go to settings and go to Windows Update and try installing the update again. Fix 3, you just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot settings and click on open it. Select other troubleshooters. Select the Windows Update troubleshoot to run. Follow the on-screen instructions and this will help you to resolve the issue guys. This method doesn't fix your problem. Fix 4, you just need to run SFC and DI as some tools. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select under administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command. Just to copy and paste it one by one. Just need to wait for this command to get 100% complete. After getting complete, you just need to copy the next command and paste it. Same way for all the commands listed over here. After getting done, you just need to restart a PC. After restarting your PC, try updating your computer. Fix 5, you just need to reset the Windows Update compounds. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now check my video description for this command. Just to copy and paste it one by one. Just need to type Y in your keyboard and press enter. After getting this command done, copy and paste next command one by one. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. Fix 6, you just need to disable third-party antivirus temporarily. To do this, open up the antivirus program and locate the real-time protection and disable it guys. And this should fix your problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.